Welcome to Sell Place One. Get now any products news, buy now any product. Sell Place One https://sellplaceone.blogspot.com. Subscribe now, open the click bell icon.
Bluetooth portable speaker. The best products news update channel. Seal Place One. https://sealplaceone.blogspot.com. Subscribe now my channel. Buy now any products, go to link. Divoom Timebox-Evo Bluetooth. Portable speaker with clock. Alarm programmable LED display. For pixel art creation unique gift. The best products news update channel. Seal Place One. https://sealplaceone.blogspot.com. Subscribe now my channel. Buy now any products, go to link. Brand name, Divoom. Communication, auxiliary. Communication, Bluetooth. Communication, USB. Display screen, yes. Battery, yes. Speaker type, portable. Power source, AC. Number of loudspeaker enclosure, 1. Cabinet material, plastic. Audio crossover, full range. Built-in microphone, yes. Channels, 1. Feeder, phone function. Intelligent personal assistant, none. Output power, 6W. Remote control, no. Support memory card, no. Playback function, MP3. Voice control, no. Material, plastic. Support Apt-x, no. Wi-Fi music, Apple Music. Wi-Fi music, Spotify. Display screen, yes. Waterproof, no. PMPO, 6W. Support. App, yes. Model number, Timebox-Evo. Frequency range, 80Hz20kHz. The best products news update channel. Seal Place One. https://sealplaceone.blogspot.com. Subscribe now my channel. Buy now any products, go to link. Thank you. Seal Place One video user. Follow this description box. Get now products link.